Like I said, I've just been using this chain life since I've had this bike, and I suppose I've done, it might be the third cleaning I've done. I've done two really good cleanings, and then I've wiped it a couple times with oil, but so far it's not looking too bad. And it's factory gears, factory chain. Well, I'm hoping I'll get at least 10 to 15,000 out of it. Ready to look at my tire or my chain on my KLR 650, and it's a little on the loose side. Let's see. So top of that pin is at 2 3/4. We're going to push down, then we're going to lift up. Okay, so you see that? 1 inch. I'm almost at 2 inches, right about. So we definitely got to adjust and tighten up this chain, which is relatively simple. We got to take our axle nut, loosen it up. Then we got the 2 jam nuts. Got to pull the outer jam nut and then just adjust the inner nut on both sides equally, and then recheck and make sure everything's still nice and true. This is my Tusk, one of my tire irons with a 27mm end. I broke the jam nut loose, but we're gonna clean that threads up a little bit so we're not impacting dirt into our nut as bad. Try to make things last as long as possible. WD-40 is a pretty good cleaner for a lot of things. Oh, get our inner wrench on. Let me clean down the threads. Oh. Wire brush would help. This is what I have in my kit that I keep on my bike. All right. Boy, that Craftsman wrench is almost too thick. $12mm and a 15mm wrench. Is what is needed on these. Alright, that's probably plenty. So normally what I would do, I like using a little combination square. See, we're right at 1 inch. And I need to tighten this. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have put Loctite on those. 1/4, about a 1/2 turn. We'll do the match the other side. All right, so we've made our adjustments. Oh, GoPro, stop recording. All right, so let's recheck one more time and we'll tighten things down. We find our widest point. So I'm at 2 3/8, 1 inch, About 1 1/4. Nice thing about Kawasaki, they put the instructions right here. Well, we were looking for 1.2 inches to 1.6, so that's 1 1/4 to 1 5/8, and we are right there, so we can double check and make sure our wheel's square, and then tighten down our double nuts. Hope this helps somebody. I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.